At ZQuiet, we get a lot of phone calls from people who are really irritated and can't sleep at night due to noise. Most often it's snoring noise, but sometimes it's other noise. And no matter what is keeping you awake, the very best thing to do is to find a way to block the sound from coming into your ears. And there are really three basic approaches to that. The first is called passive noise canceling, which is really just a fancy word for wearing some earplugs. And whether they're foam earplugs from the hardware store or a higher end earplug, what they do is create a barrier between that sound and your ear. The most important thing for passive earplugs is that you have a really good seal. And that is how you're going to know that you found the right pair. The other thing that you can do is called noise masking, which some of us know of as a sound machine or something on your phone that creates a sound. And really what noise masking is creating a different sound for your brain to focus on instead of the snoring or the sirens or whatever else there is. It's kind of tricking your brain. And for some people it works really well, and for others it can be an irritant. But it's worth a try. And lastly, there is something called active noise canceling earplugs or earbuds, and those are a higher technology, tend to be a little more expensive, but what they do is they work at certain frequencies to cut out sound. There are earplugs that are designed to specifically cancel out the sound of snoring, and they can go a long way towards a quieter night. I will say, though, that if snoring is your problem, the very best thing to do is to get your snorer to treat it because it's better for their health and it really is the only way for silent sleep. The three ways that you can block sound that I mentioned, though, are a really close second. So I hope this was helpful and good luck getting a good night's sleep.